Hey there, future crypto investor. If you're looking to buy XRP with your credit card, you're in the right place. Let's make this process as simple as possible. First, you'll need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports XRP and credit card transactions. Some popular options are Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Head over to their website and sign up. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This step is crucial for security purposes and usually involves uploading a photo ID. It might take a few minutes, but it's worth it to keep your account safe. Once your identity is verified, navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Here, you'll select your payment method, which in this case is your credit card. Make sure you have your card details handy. Now choose XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you'd like to buy. Remember to review the transaction details, including any fees. Fees can vary, so it's good to know what you're paying for. After reviewing, confirm the purchase. It might take a few moments, but soon enough your XRP will be available in your exchange wallet. For added security, consider transferring your XRP to a more secure wallet, such as a hardware wallet. This step isn't necessary, but it's an extra layer of protection for your investment. And that's it. You've just bought XRP with your credit card. Keep learning and investing smartly. Happy trading.